Hi, this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install Logaholic on a local Windows machine on your desktop. It's really easy using a program called wampserver. So let's go to www.wampserver.com. Just select the English flag because it's originally a French program. Go to Downloads and download the most recent version of wampserver. That should pop up now. Yeah. So save the file to your local disk and then choose to open it to start the installer. Click Run, Next, Accept, Next, Yes. We'll create a desktop icon and we'll install the application. wampserver will install a local version of Apache, MySQL and PHP on your Windows machine, which is everything you need to run Logaholic locally. Click Next and Finish. So this will automatically start wampserver. If you see a green icon there, that means it's running. So all you need to do is put it online, and then in your browser type localhost as the address, and there we go. We have a working web server on our Windows machine. So the next thing to do is to install, or download rather, Logaholic. So go to logaholic.com, click download, and just choose our self-hosted edition. So we'll just save this file for now. And we'll open the folder. Double click this and you'll find excuse me, a Logaholic folder inside. So what we need to do here is to copy this folder to the wampserver's web root, which is the www directory from the menu. So we'll open that up and simply paste Logaholic into this folder. There we go, and that should do the trick. So what we want to do now is go to localhost/Logaholic, and we're presented with the Logaholic install screen. So what you do now is basically follow these instructions. So I'm going to click OK to continue. You'll have to provide a name, for example John, and a valid email address. Press Get License, and it will provide a trial registration key for you. So click Continue, and it will confirm. Continue again, and this is where we set up the MySQL database. So we have a database name, which we'll just call Logaholic for now, but you can change this to whatever you want. A database server, which is set to this internal address. You could also choose localhost, but I'll just leave it at the default. And now we'll have to provide a database username and a database password. The wampserver application has already installed a MySQL server for us with a root account that does not have a password. So I do advise you to go in and change that, but for the purpose of this tutorial I'll just leave it blank. Click Continue, and it writes its configuration files, and it's successfully connected to the database server. So we'll click continue again, and then it prompts us to pick up a file and save it to the disk. So why don't we just do that right now? Click save file. That should be done right about now. So the next thing to do is to open this file, which is in a gzip format. Almost all zip programs will open this file, but if you don't have any of that installed on your computer, just get 7-zip, which is a good one, and it will open this file. So just click open and find one file in here, geolightcity.dat, and choose copy to, and then select the appropriate location, which is in this case cwamp www Logaholic components GeoIP, and press OK. There we go. Now that file has been included, and it will also tell you here where to put that file. So if I was going a bit too fast, it'll be on your screen where to put that file. Click continue, and it says done. That's it. You've completed the basic Logaholic installation. Next, you'll need to create profiles for your website to tell Logaholic what to analyze. Now it has some additional notes here that says your PHP has a default output buffering setting. It's best to turn this off for this directory and let Logaholic do the buffering. So you can click this link to read how to do that, but I'll just show you real quick because it's very easy using wampserver. You just click the wampserver icon, then click PHP and click the PHP ini file. Now simply look for output buffering. There we go. Oh, we have to search for that one more time. There we go. And you can see here output buffering is on. And what we want to do is put that to off. Just save the file, and then you'll have to restart wampserver. So to do that, click the icon again and simply click restart all services. You'll see the color of the icon change, and when it's back to green, that means it's running again. Now click go to profiles, and basically you're done.